you doing?
I'm listening the bloody meat.
Means what?
Means the blood of fish and the meat of fish. Bloody fish.
Show it. And you? Eating what? The bloody pig. That's the pork. The pig is still raw.
Bloody what? Bloody ng baboy.
This is our dog. My father's favorite dog. His name is Kobe. See how nice. Very good. This is our terrace on the side, and that is road. Okay? And this door, small door, you can see that door is my father's bodega, means storeroom. All the rice is inside. Okay, this door is our dining place and the kitchen. And my mother and father.
Nais kong malaman ika'y
sleeping area, night and day.
At kung may huling sasabihin,
my brother's room and our living room. Okay, we came from the back door, and this is our main door and front. Here, and here's the terrace. Now, like what I said, this is the in front of us. It is set.
Dahil iyong narinig mula sa labig kong salamat. Salamat sana iyong marinig tibok yung damdamin. Ikaw ay mahalaga sa akin, ang awitin ko'y iyong dinggin. At kung marinig ang panalangin, lagi kang naroon, humihiling ng pagkakataon. Masabi ko sa'yo ng harapan.